Choosing the right toilet seat can make a surprising difference in comfort and convenience. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 toilet seats on Amazon in 2025, focusing on comfort, build quality, and fit for both round and elongated toilets. Let's start with the KOHLER elongated toilet seat. This seat consistently ranks among the best for comfort and durability. It features a contoured design that feels natural during use, while its quiet closed lid prevents loud slamming. The standout feature here is the Ready Latch system, which allows for a quick and secure installation with no tools required. It also includes grip-tight bumpers to keep the seat from shifting during use, and quick-release hinges for easy cleaning. The durable plastic construction resists chipping and staining, which is especially helpful in busy bathrooms. This model fits most elongated toilet bowls and is ideal for homeowners who want a sleek, modern look with minimal maintenance. Next on the list is the KOHLER BREVIA elongated toilet seat. This is a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice comfort or quality. It includes a quiet closed lid similar to higher-end models and uses quick-attach hardware to simplify installation. While it lacks the Ready Latch system of the CASSEL, it still delivers great stability thanks to integrated grip-tight bumpers. The BREVIA's ergonomic shape and contoured seating area make it surprisingly comfortable, especially given its affordable price. It's made of durable polypropylene and is resistant to fading and peeling over time. If you're seeking a dependable and easy-to-install toilet seat that won't break the bank, the KOHLER BREVIA is one of the best value options available. Coming in third is the MAYFAIR CASSEL Slow Close Wood Toilet Seat. A great pick if you prefer the solid feel of wood over plastic. This elongated seat combines the warmth and sturdiness of enameled wood with the convenience of modern features, like a slow close lid and no-slip bumpers. It fits most standard elongated toilets and features an easy-to-remove hinge system for thorough cleaning. The finish resists scratches and chips, giving it a longer-lasting polished appearance. Many users prefer the heavier, more substantial feel of wood, especially in colder climates where plastic seats can feel chilly. If comfort and traditional aesthetics are important to you, the MAYFAIR CASSEL offers a well-built seat with just the right touch of elegance. Fourth on the list is the LUXE Elongated Comfort Fit Toilet Seat. This model is specifically designed for compatibility with bidet attachments, making it a favorite among users who've upgraded their bathroom fixtures. It features thick, high-quality plastic that supports up to 300 pounds and includes non-slip rubber bumpers to keep the seat firmly in place. It also has a quiet close lid and quick-release hinges, making it easy to remove and clean. What really sets the TS1008E apart is its design. It accommodates the added height and alignment required for most bidet systems without sacrificing comfort or aesthetics. For anyone using a bidet or planning to install one, the LUXE TS1008E is a thoughtful and practical upgrade. Finally, we have the Comforts Round Toilet Seat. This seat is built with long-term durability in mind. Made from UV-resistant polypropylene and reinforced with stainless steel hinge posts, it's ideal for high-traffic bathrooms or households that prioritize strength and hygiene. Its ergonomic curve and anti-skid bumpers ensure both comfort and safety during use. Unlike many standard seats, this model is specifically shaped for round toilets and provides a secure, no-wobble fit. It's a great choice for public restrooms, rental properties, or even residential bathrooms where frequent use is expected. For users who value long-lasting performance and low maintenance, the Comfort Seat's round seat delivers with solid reliability.